Hello everyone, this is Ruby, the sales of Xiangjin Cycle. Today our factory is producing the electric delivery bike for one of our customers from UK. The quantity is 100 pieces today. We will show you the procedures of assembly and also the testing procedures. This is our frame and fork pre-assembly line. We will show you how to assemble the front fork and BB parts. Take a chain cover to test. To ensure next step, the chain cover can be fitted properly. After the BB parts assembly, here is assembling the front fork. You can see that for the electric delivery bike, the front fork is very important to be reinforced and strong enough. We will show you how to make the front fork fit on the frame. You can see our front fork is our own molding specially for our electric delivery bike. It's very strong and reinforced enough to match the delivery bike. After the pre-assembly, first step is assembly of crankset. For the crankset assembly, we will use the torque wrench to make the crank with standard torque. The standard torque is 28 to 32 Nm. After the assembly of crank, we will use the torque wrench to make sure the standard torque. We make sure the key process with precise torque. It is no difference from the car assembly. Fit the non-inflatable tire and tube on the magnesium alloy integrated wheel. After the assembly of protector bolts and the rear mud guards, we will fit the rear wheel. And it is very important that the rear wheel tighten torque. We use the torque spanner to tighten the rear wheel. And the standard torque is 40 to 45 Nm for the tighten torque. Mix the electric cables to connect the controller and tidy looking and hidden in the frame tube. Fit the front wheel. For all these electric cables, we need to make it connect with the pin to pin and pay more attention to that. Must be the correct position for the pins. This is the electric brake lever cables and the display cables, different cables with a different color. So we just need to connect the same color cables here and make it correct and pay more attention. Be careful about the connection. And after that, our people will ride the bike for testing one by one. 100% to test the bags, make sure people are connecting well and the electric is working.
Fit the chain cover. Fit the lock. Fit the two batteries. Now we start to adjust the disc brakes. Here you can see tighten the brake wear. The standard Titan torque is 6 to 9 Nm. After adjustable, we need to make sure the space between the brake pad and the brake disc is 0.5 mm. %100% riding test after assembly. Locking and protection in the curtain.
Hello everyone, this is the full procedures of our production of the electric delivery bike. And we hope we can introduce more of our production in the near future. Thank you. Bye bye.